into a very active weather afternoon. We've had strong and at times severe thunderstorms going through the area. A couple of those storms did surpass the severe weather threshold. We had one tornado warning during the middle of the afternoon out in Rowan County. That has obviously gone by the wayside. We've got a peppering of storms around now. The one in Fayette County is actually drifting to the northeast, which is unusual in the fact that everything else has been pushing southeast. So it's a sign that there is some shear aloft, and the storms that may come in later on could have a lot to work with here. That storm in Fayette County now running along from Nicholasville Road out through Tates Creek, continues out to about Richmond Road and out to Manowar, then getting out there toward Hamburg. It's, again, heavy downpour with that. More heavy rain. Likely still some small hail with the storm going through parts of Madison, Powell, and Estill counties. And a strong storm now in Perry County is approaching Hazard with a lot of lightning, heavy rain, and likely some maybe dime-sized hail. From the folks at the Storm Prediction Center, we're under what's called an enhanced risk of severe storms. And in fact, they are likely to be issuing what likely will be a tornado watch over the next few minutes. It's a 95% chance that they're doing that, and that's in a statement they just put out. Likely severe weather mode, though, will be damaging wind gusts for us at the squall line that'll be coming through. But again, there is shear available. Large hail is going to come into play and a lot of lightning from these storms, too. And in fact, from the Storm Prediction Center, when you're looking at the 30% risk of a damaging wind gust, that's 57 miles per hour or greater. 30% is an awfully high percentage to come out with that. And what that means is within any given point, 25 miles from that point, there is a 30% chance of a damaging wind gust, which is a high number. Lesser amounts for hail, it's more likely west of I-65, but still it's in our cards that we may see storms that are hailers as well. So on the Max Track, strong and severe thunderstorms for tonight. Colder air takes over tomorrow, and there are frost and freeze potential. So why is this all going on? It got muggy. You see the high dew point numbers that are in the 60s. That's fuel for the storms to work with. And that's one of the ways we've been watching those storms fire today. There's been a boundary cutting across the area, which also shows up in the temperatures. Now, some of this is rain-cooled air, but where the rain has been, we've had a chance to recover as well. And with that warmth that's out there, that'll be the fuel that squall line works with a little bit later. Still 72 at the Bluegrass Airport. None of the rain hit the official bucket yet. And with that 62 dew point, it's humid. So watch how the afternoon has unfolded. You had the initial severe thunderstorm watch that we had in eastern Kentucky. Severe thunderstorm watch, tornado watch out to our west. That is the developing squall line. That is what we're going to have to watch as we go through the next several hours. So from now until 10 o'clock, there's the line approaching the Ohio River. By 11, it's getting into central Kentucky. By midnight, it's crossing the area. You're seeing the convergence. You're seeing some twist there in the wind fields. By 1 o'clock and beyond, that is beginning to push away and the cold air starts to arrive. For tonight, thunderstorms likely. Stronger severe storms are possible. We're looking at temperatures eventually dropping to the upper 40s. Winds will be gusty near those storms. Some early morning rain tomorrow, then we clear it out. It's a colder day. We're in the middle and upper 50s, near 50 on Friday with a frost freeze, and rain returns by Easter.